Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am going to discuss divisibility rules of numbers. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for updates of upcoming videos. Let us first understand the definition of divisibility. A number is divisible by another number when the resultant quotient is a whole number. Whole number is very important. The quotient should be a whole number in order to make a number exactly divisible by another number. Let us take the example. 9 is exactly divisible by 3. Why? Because the quotient is 3 and which is a whole number. Next, 7 is not exactly divisible by 5 because the answer is 1:2 by 5, which is not a whole number. Next, we have divisibility rules. These rules are important. Why? In order to make the calculations easy and fast, we are using these rules. First is divisibility rule of 2. If a number is having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place, then the number is divisible by 2. Let us take the example 1256. It is divisible by 2. Why? Because number is having 6 at its ones place and which is a even number, or you can say it is one of the numbers from the list. So 1256 is divisible by 2. Next is divisibility rule of 3. If sum of the digits of the number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let us take the example 7221. See, sum of the digits is coming 12 and which is divisible by 3. So 7221 is also divisible by 3. Next we have divisibility rule of 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. See, last two digits we have to check, not the whole number. 2860. So we have to check only 60. Yes, 60 is divisible by 4 as the quotient is 15, which is a whole number. So 2860 is also divisible by 4. Next we have divisibility rule of 5. If the number is having 0 or 5 in its ones place, then the number is divisible by 5. We can take the examples 2860, 555, and they both are having 0 and 5 at its ones place. So these are divisible by 5. Next we have divisibility rule of 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. We can check 6852. It is having 2 at its ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Next, if we take the sum of the digits, it is coming out to be 21. So again it is divisible by 3 also. So the number is divisible by 6. Next we have divisibility rule of 7. Take the last digit of the number, that is the ones place, double it and then subtract the result from the rest of the number. If the result is either 0 or the multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Let us take the example 343. So here ones place is 3. Taking the double, we get 6. Now taking the difference from rest of the number, that is 34 minus 6, which is 28. So it is divisible by 7, hence the number 343 is also divisible by 7. Next we have divisibility rule of 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits, we have to check here. In 4 we were checking last 2 digits and it is same as the divisibility rule of 4, but here we have to check last 3 digits of the number. So taking the example 5512, last 3 digits are 512, which is divisible by 8 and we get the quotient 64. So again the numbers 5512 is also divisible by 8. Next is divisibility rule of 9. This is same as the divisibility rule of 3. We have to check for the sum of the digits. If those are coming divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. So let us check 7587. Here the sum of the digits is coming 27, which is divisible by 9, and hence the number is also divisible by 9. Next we have divisibility rule of 10. If the number has 0 at the ones place, then the number is divisible by 10. This is very easy. Example 100 and 3200. We can see both the numbers are having 0 at the ones place, so the numbers are also divisible by 10. Last is the divisibility rule of 11. First step is to mark the digits from right to left. See, you have to mark from right to left. You have to start marking odd, even, and so on. Suppose 61809 is a number which is to be checked for divisibility. Then marking from 9, we are having 9, 8, 6 as the odd places, and 0, 1 will be the even places. Next step is to find the sum of the digits at odd places and at even places separately. Sum of the digits at odd places will be 23, and at even places it is coming 1. Last step is to check the difference. It is coming 22. It is divisible by 11. So the number 61809 is also divisible by 11. You can see the steps. Find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. I hope you all have understood the concept of divisibility of numbers. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.